That's not supposed to look like that. I gotta say, this pays testament to Honda because I snapped my drive shaft and I drove home like 20 miles. Here's what happened. Not ideal, but you know, we fix these things. If you use penetrating oil and your bolts haven't lived their entire lives in New England, it should be pretty easy to get out. Of course, I'm using Mimi Big Boy over here. Oh yeah, that's peak performance. That's exactly what you want to see. So I'm gonna pry this off and then we'll be done. You just gotta take these off and one of those bolts so you can pull this all out, but it should be pretty easy. Let's see, we'll find out. Never mind, it doesn't want to come out easily, so we're gonna have to give ourselves a +10 to persuasion temporarily for the next hour. The U-joint is not supposed to look like this. That's properly scooched. It hung down on the hanger and just wore itself out on the way home. I mean, obviously this needed changing. It's old, but as you can see, it definitely served its sentence. Okay, here's our new drive shaft. That's where the failure point was. As you can see, it's an eBay special. Ye olde China Republic. Yeah, it just goes there. We just gotta loop it through that, bring it forward. It's pretty straightforward. Fuck. It looks nice and brand new. Unfortunately, it's held on by Unfortunately, it's held on by 7 bolts instead of 8 now because I got lazy and I over-torqued the shit out of one of them and it snapped. But you know what that means? The weakest link must let go. I just weeded it out. This is a 7 bolt now. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Stay safe, have fun, and stay marvelous. Peace.